Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to view password of the Wi-Fi you are connected to. So let's start. First open a browser. Now you have to type in the address, which is 192.168.0.1 and then tap go on your keyboard. Now you have to sign in. Now type in admin on username as well as on password and then tap on sign in. And you will be directly signed in to the Wi-Fi network portal. On the top left hand side you will see a menu. Tap on wireless. Then tap on wireless security. On the right hand side, if I zoom out a little bit, you will be able to see the password of the Wi-Fi you are connected to. And that's how you can view password of any Wi-Fi you are connected to. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.